Hello friends, if you have developed and designed a website through WordPress CMS content management system, and now if you want to add a reading progress in your website. What is reading progress? When a user scroll your page, post articles, so a reading progress will appear here just after this URL address bar in the browser. So if you want to add reading progress in your WordPress website, so how you can add? This is one of my websites like myurdurecipes.com. so what I will do, I will go to the plugins section and click on add new. So we will add new plugin here, and you will search here WP reading progress. So once you type this, you can see some plugins will appear here, and the very first plugin WP reading progress, you can see here that has 900 plus active installations, and this one also compatible with the latest version of WordPress according to today. So what I will do, I will just click on install now, then activate. Once you activate this plugin, you can see here WP reading progress. You can just click on the settings here, or you can click on settings on the left side in the admin dashboard of your WordPress, and you can see here WP reading progress. So you can also click here. If you refresh your page, so now you can see reading progress has been added. You can see the color also. What I will do, first I will go to edit profile, and I will hide this toolbar when viewing site, so you can easily understand, because the toolbar is appearing here because I am logged in my website. So what I did, I just hide this toolbar, and now you can see easily. So you can see the reading progress, and now see, stick the bar to this element. You can add top or bottom, and progress bar thickness you can also control from here. Okay, and color of the progress bar, for instance, you can see my website color is this, so I can even select, for example, this one. Okay, and make bar start at 0%, so you can also click this, save settings, and now you can see if I refresh my page, so first you can see the color is orange, but if I refresh my page, because I changed the color from the settings of WP reading progress, so you can see now, see, it has been changed. And if you change it to like make bar start at 0%, so it will start exactly at the 0%. See, if I refresh, so you can see it starts, and you can see, and there are more things like show reading progress on post, page, attachment, and project. There are different options. Like right now my post is open, so we can see, but for example, if I go to this page about us, this is actually page, it's not a post. So when I scroll here, you scroll down, see, you can see no WP reading progress. So what I will do, I will just select this option and save settings, and now if we refresh the page, so you can see reading progress is there. And again, if I go to, for example, contact page, contact is page, so you can see it will also appear here. See, it's also appearing in the contact page. So this is very simple method you can add reading progress in your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.